Hey guys, we're playing White Noise Online with my friend here, Kobe. We're gonna be shitting our fucking selves in this app right now. Okay, where are you? Where are you? I'm behind you. I'm behind you. No, it's not a school, it's a fucking museum. It's an actual museum. Okay, the minion at your left, don't look at that. I'm gonna look away. Fuck that minion. Fuck you, minion. Oh, what is that? Tyler, I'm in the museum. I found something else. Tyler? I found this fucking hallway of, like, these weird-ass statue shit. For what reason, but I don't like this. I hear something. No, I'm hearing, like, another minion on the freaking wall? Another minion on the wall. Are you fucking kidding me? If you see minions, that's telling you that there's a radio around somewhere. There's nothing in there. Yeah, that it could be ghosts. It could be ghosts sometimes. The voices could mean that it's a minion and I found blood leading somewhere. I'm gonna make it right, yeah. I don't know. It could do some... Oh no, I hate this place. Oh my... Wait, where's the place where the Indian shit, whatever, God, is? Oh, I'm not going in there. I do not like open rooms like that. Tyler, wasn't there a mannequin somewhere, like a mannequin room? Like a mannequin room. What painting is that? Okay, that painting has, like... What room are we in again? Minion room, right, minion? Of what? That's nice to... I haven't found one radio yet, and this is fucking retarded. Okay, there's a random dark room. What the fuck's in here? Oh, okay, I don't like that room. That's... I hate open rooms like this. Oh my god, where the hell is this damn, like... Oh my god, I'm in the mannequin room. I'm in the mannequin room. Oh my god, Tyler. This room is not fucking cool right now. There's a radio somewhere. Someone's holding a radio. Oh, I found it! Was it in his back? I'm behind you. I'm making a laugh because all these mannequins are looking this way, and I feel like there's something over here at least. Okay, just an empty room, right? There's, okay, I'm hearing things now. I'm hearing things. No, that's probably a minion around somewhere. Okay, he's getting close. I hear his voice yelling. I'm not getting origins. I'm not getting origins. I don't like zombies anymore that much. God, he's close! I hear him! Making it right, making it right, making it right. Okay, there's a minion in the middle of nowhere. There's a minion in the middle of nowhere. Don't look at that shit. That's so cool. Wait, yeah, you said that? Okay, I think we're entering this room now. I think we're heading close enough to the... where's that room again? Shit, he's at my left. I hear his voice. He's coming close. Radio! Radio! Keep on going forward. Don't fuck going... Oh my god, I'm not fucking with that room right now. I'm keep going straight. Yo, I would never play this game by myself. This game is too fucking beat out for this. What? You saw him? Wait, did you see him already? What room is this? This room right here that I'm looking at. Is this the Indian room or something? The Egyptian room? I don't like that noise. Something's close by to me. Oh my god, what is this? Jesus Christ! Oh my god, I'm gonna get fucking wrecked in my ass if I turn around and went. Is he there? No. But I'm making a right turn. Oh my god, he's right there. I'm making a right turn now. I'm making a right turn now. He's right there. I hear him yelling. I am going, like, in circles right now. It's already been, like, 8 minutes in the game right now. Oh, oof. Oh god. I just got the goosebumps right into my ass right now. Just the sound just gave me the fucking shit. Okay, I hear you. What are you playing? BNB something? Oh, he's right there! He's right there! And then the game might end right there, doesn't it? Did you buy the damn thing or no? Are you behind me? I'm really scared. Alright, you're close by. Good. That's good. Oh no, we're back in this room. Don't do that. If you do that, it's really bad. I haven't been in this. What room is this? Alright. Alright, minions there. If we make a left turn, There should be a room in here. Just gotta follow this fucking glider now. Oh, we could have went through that door, but okay. That makes any sense. Oh my god, dude. 1, 2, 3. Fuck that. I'm not effing with that. Not effing with that door right there. He popped out there. I got killed. Oh! Oh, he's right behind. He's right behind. Oh god, I just... He's right there! He teleported! I'm heading back. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Head back again. Head back again. He moves away. He moves away. I know. I know how he moves away. I can tell. Flashlight. He didn't move! He's supposed to teleport away, but alright, I'm just heading back. If he's doing that, that means that there's something back there. He's hiding something from me. I think he's coming for me more. Did we just come from that door? Or this one? No, this one right here. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. He's getting close, or... Dude. Oh god, dude, oh. Shit, it turned off, I'm good, I'm fine, my flashlight just turned off. No, mine just died, it just died right now. Alright, it's back on, that's good, thank you. Oh god, it's blinking. Dude, mine is blinking so quickly right now, it's like flashing. It's like someone's blinking. Dude, how long have you been on this? 12 minutes. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, we're just going in circles. Where's this Indian room? Dude, this Egyptian room I cannot find. Like, it's just impossible. Oh, just got the chills right there again. Oh my god! He's right there. He's in there for a reason. There's something in there. Dude, I'm gonna make a quick circle. Please, if you spawn in that middle of that door, I'm gonna dip. That statue is fucking me up right now. Okay! Dude, I do not like this room. It's just big heads. Big, fat heads. Right here? Get it? Grab it right there. Grab it! I grabbed it. Fuck it. Yes, I know. Making a left. What do you mean? Okay. Don't like that sound. Most likely at all. Oh my god, I'm just going in a fucking circle. I'm heading to that door right now. And my shit is blinking. Oh, hi there, Minion. How you? Oh my god, that looks creepy. Oh, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just, it can't be on your screen. It just can't be on the screen. If you look at it on the screen, that big guy that's chasing us, he will come out of that and kill you instantly. Just don't look at it. Oh, I found it! Yes, the mummy room. There's a radio right here. Right there. Grab it. You can grab it. Fine, just grab it. Right there. On that corner. Right there. Oh god, the song's getting harder. Oh god, he's getting harder. Oh, what? No, it died. It's just... Oh my god, I hear something. Please, I'm pressing X like so crazy right now. Turn the light back on. Turn the light back on. Turn the light back on. Thank you. Oh, no, he close! He close! He close! Dude, he just like... I just saw like a pop out somewhere. Alright, there's a thing on the top right. I'm not fucking with that. Tyler, if me and Kobe do this, oh my god, I'm just so happy. If we beat another level. Just the sprinting is not good right now. The sprinting is not perfect. It's fucking everything up. They are. Yes. Okay, I hear him screaming like, oh, I'm gonna get you. If you get every single part, you turn into that big ass monster, man. I don't know, it's like, you just turn into a creature. Oof, that noise, okay, it was that noise. That noise was, oof, don't look at it. My screen's getting corrupted. Don't wanna look at the man. That statue's a dick, but... Oh my god, they're just going in the same room. The same box room. Tyler, how do we get this map? Like, I can't find, like, the freaking museum. I just went in circles. I don't think... Alright, we're going in that door. Oh my god. Kate! Oh my god, I hear breathing! Shut up. It sounds like he's in my ass. No, we got five. Don't mess with that, we got five. What room is this? I don't remember calling this. Oh my god, you're gonna pop in my face. You're gonna pop straight in my face. Oh my god, he's like, I hear him. Dude, my whole body right now is in chills. It's like in chills right now. Tyler, you need to play with us right now, dude. I'm getting like this fucking... Dude, this room is too dark for this right now. Oh my god, it's right there! No, making a circle, fuck you, out of there. Oh, he's gone, thank you. Okay, he teleported back. I'm going to left, make a left. Yo, he wants me. Go through here. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Oh my god, screwed. Don't look at it. Just start looking at the wall or something. Oh my god, I freaking hate that. Don't look through there. Just go straight. We'll find something at least. Jesus. Okay, we have not been in this room before. I can tell because I have not been in a room like this. No, not left. You're going crazy. Actually, wait, we've been here. Okay, just keep going straight. I don't care. At least we find somewhere else safe. I feel safe in this one right now. Okay. Fine, turning back on myself. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't F with me. Don't F with me right now. Oh god, I feel moving in darkness right now. Dude, my flashlight's not turning on. Turn on! Thank you! Oh my god, we're just going in fucking circles right now. Oh, okay, I just heard somebody go... I don't want to hear that ever again. I don't want to hear that Alright, dude. There's a radio here. We're in the box. Alright, okay, good. We have 5. Making a left. I'm going in there. Alright, I think me and Tyler have been this way, but haven't seen this one. I keep hearing, like, the song is going down. No, not going in there. Wait. We should. Where's it go? No, don't try. Just keep on. Without it just brings us in a circle. No point. Oh, I hear that. Yo, my whole arms are like in so much goosebumps right now. Like the head. Oh, come on, not the mannequin room. I swear to God, if he pops up in here, I'm gonna like dip until like my character dies. That's a wall, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, there's a door there. I don't. Oh my God, it's right there! Lucky. You don't suck. Go through the damn red thing. The red thing too, dude. Not do that thing. Wall there. Tyler, you better get your freaking ass in here now. Alright. Don't look behind. I know where he's coming from. Dude. I know his sounds. Why is it flickering? Oh, he's in front of us! I hate doing this. He's in front of me. Oh my God, he's in close. Oh, he's gonna pop one on the corner. Oh, please don't. I don't have vibration on. I know when he's close. Don't fuck with me. right now. Dude, I have every single... Oh, told you he was in this room! I told you he was in this freaking room! Oh, hi, minion! I'm not seeing one! Alright, make a left. Just walk beside the wall, just don't look at it. No, give me us going fucking circles. What's on the floor? Nothing? Just look down and go. Just look down and move. That's all you can do right now. Right now. Here. What was that? Dude, the goosebumps are literally killing me right now. Like, my whole body's numb from, like, these noises. And one thing, I heard, what the fuck was that? We just got stuck, okay? Oh, he's gonna pop up left. Don't, oh my God, please don't pop up. I know you're in this room. Just, okay, make a left, easy. I haven't been in this hallway before. That's how the game is. It's telling you that he's close by. Oh my God, he's close by. Fuck that. Making a left. Fuck that. Okay. Oh, God, no! Go straight. I have not been down here. I have not passed this manic. Is there a room there? Yeah, there's a room. Make a right to do it. Don't go too far. He will get us quickly here if you go too far. Make a right. He found you. He killed you? Are you fucking with me? Oh my God, he's getting close! Dude, he's in my ass. No, he's in my ass. No. Oh, he's in front of me. Oh, hi there, you little piece of green shit. Oh my god, it's static on my screen. No, don't kill me. Not fucking with this right now. Oh my god! Don't do that, please, Jesus, for the fucking god. Oh my god, you just like increased my my fucking goosebumps right now. This room, I don't know why that's there, but it doesn't do any. Dude, I've been going this for 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes on the fucking video right now. Just terrifying. Fuck this. I'm not trying this at all. It's just terrifying. And the song! Oh my god, he's right there! I hear him, I hear him, I hear him, I hear you, I hear you. I hear you, you light piece of shit. Where is it? Where is it? I'm going that way. Anything down here? That room. What about that room? That room looks suspicious. I think he's following my tracks, because I hear him going around. What the hell? The song just went down and it came back up. You know what? Just, you know. Alright guys, I was looking at 343, my time is up, and, well, I'm just going to show you the freaking replay, and that's it. I got one screen only. Alright, let's see the replay. Cobra, are you seeing the replay? I'm red. Oh, I'm always fucking red. I got... Really? I never knew that. I got hit. I'm red. I'm red. I'm always red. I don't get why, but I'm always red. No matter what, even online, I'm always red. I got hit. Wow, I got hit twice there. You got a piece there. Yo, we're just going in circles. I got hit. Yumi got hit. Wow, look at that. We're just going in circles trying to find parts. Wow, we didn't go in the middle of the map. There was nothing in the middle. There's no way to enter the middle. Yeah, we did. Alright, you died then, and I was going everywhere. And I died right there. Alright guys, I was only 343. Oh my god, this game is fucked up, and I'll see you guys later.